Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Random here checking in. And this is the doors that you seen us spray on our last video that we put out. Now, this is the next morning when we woke up and we went in the garage and checked out everything. As you can see, we have a big problem. There's all type of dots and pits all over the place, guys. So I thought it was a reaction because I had the heater on that night, but I actually found out, and if you watch the last video, you'll see that I wound up mixing hardener with my paint instead of reducer. So you guys stay tuned. In the next video, I'll be showing you how we got it all smooth and made it look like showcase magic again, guys. I mean, the paint job for the doors, they came out decent. But once we dried up, so we had a problem. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Mr. Randall.